Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to install window screens. Of course, first thing starts with making sure we have the right screen, and all we need to do is measure the opening from side to side and top to bottom, and that'll give us our size of window screen. Now when we're ready to put this in, first thing we need to do is open the window. And this particular style has two clips at the top that we fold out. So once the window's folded out, then we're ready to insert the screen. And how we want to do this is the screen has a solid side, and then on the back it has this recessed side with the black rubber gasket in it. We want to put that to the outside because there are trim on the outside of the window that covers that up. Then also to lock it in place, you have these two rotating tabs. Once we get it in place, we'll rotate this up so it'll stay in place. So once we have the window open and the screen oriented right, we can slide it down in to the bottom slot. It'll snap into place. And then once we get it into place like this, we want to come in, we want to check the bottom and make sure it's sitting down behind the ridge that holds that screen. Once we check that, then we can come back up here and we can rotate the levers in place. That'll hold it. And lock our window back in place. And we're good to go. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to install a window screen.